Alright, so if you're as frustrated as I am trying to get the drain plugs on a V6 Tacoma, here's a little tip. Just take your wheel off. I've got an extra long extension here, and you can see where it's dripping. If I can get my camera to focus. So right above where you see those drips is a brass 10mm nut. Be very careful with it being brass, and you can loosen it a whole lot easier if you just take your wheel off. I've got mine supported on some 6-ton jacks here, and just used a floor jack to lift it up ever so slightly. Okay, so I'm going to show you the driver's side engine plug, and you can kind of see it right there, right underneath that ratchet. I'm using a 10mm again with a U-joint on a bunch of extensions. Now, so same on the other side where you see that little open tube. That's where that plug is going to be. Now again, if you take your wheel off, it's going to be a lot easier to get to that. It's going to take a little bit of finessing it through. If it's helpful, consider making a video that might help somebody else with something else that maybe you know how to do. Take care.